Hey, welcome back everybody. Todd here, Marketplace Sea Acres. Today we are going to try to clean up some of this mess. I've got a big down log in here, down tree, power log. Probably not going to take this thing down today, but it's leaning bad. That's going to have to come down maybe next weekend. But if I can get that out of here, it's going to clean up a lot of this mess. This is still the project of us trying to clear out where the home site's going to be and get ourselves a view of the pond. Let me show you how that project's going. It is starting to get opened up, so we can actually see our pond from what we're calling the home site, where the home's going to be. So I'll throw in real quick clip it in there of us throwing the saw haul on and all that kind of good stuff, but there's enough videos of that out there, so I won't make you watch a long version of that. But let's see what we can get done. I'm going to start by putting the adapter plate on. Should be nice and easy. Famous last words. If I turn my nut up, right side up. Make sure I've got the right size. Got it. Here we go. Get that started. Tighten her up. All right, we'll be back when we get this all tightened up. All right, got the sub-assembly all put together, all nicely tightened up. Gonna put these through here. These put on. Suppose I could have switched sockets before I got you back on camera, couldn't I? And I'm going to tighten these down. We'll be back when it's tightened. Alright, we got the U-bolt attached, everything attached. We put the scabbard in. You might notice I did put it on the other side of the tractor than where I originally started. I just think it's going to be more out of the way that way. And don't make the same mistake I made. I had it halfway on. My wife goes, "You think you should have used those washers?" Yeah, I think I should have used those washers. But anyway, now we are set to go into the woods and cut some trees. That's going to be tomorrow because I'm tired today. But it'll be part of this video, but it'll be tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow when we're sawing down some stuff. Hey there, buddy.
You say hi? Say hi, buddy. Whiskey. Whiskey, say hi. Say hi.
Hello, world. My name's Whiskey.
Thank you for the safety glasses.
Guess I need to start it.
Hi, buddy.
All right. I'm a little winded, sorry. We've been working hard today. So, but this shows what a couple hours, a pole saw, a chainsaw, a grapple, bush hog can do. And I know we keep trying to show the pond, but you know, that's important to us. So stick with me. If you can see right through there, hopefully you can see the pond through there. So we are working our way that direction, and we appreciate you coming along with us. This guy's next. All right, if any of you guys have any idea what's going to happen when I saw that, please put it in the comments, because this one's going to make me pucker a little bit. I don't know if it's down enough where it's not going barber pole, whatever they call that. I don't know if it's going to shatter into a million pieces or it's just going to fall. So any of you guys that have more experience than me, help a brother out a little bit. All right, so Mark with Legacy Acres out. See you next week.